Hey everybody, so I did a video several months back on Mauds coffee, and it actually has become one of my favorite coffees, and I've been drinking it ever since. One of my favorites out of all of them is the Blueberry Fields Forever, which is still the same as I said was my favorite back then. I usually get one of these smaller boxes a month. It's kind of more of a treat for me on this one. And then every couple of months, I'm getting the variety pack, which comes with 80 of them, which has from light all the way to dark and espresso. Now, I don't drink all the flavors, but I have plenty of people that come over and drink some of them, so that's why I get the variety. And it's perfect for families where everybody has a different taste, or if you're like me and you just have different moods for coffees. One day I might go more of a light, another day more of a dark. One day I might fire up my espresso machine instead. But this does give you several options that you can choose from. All right, so one thing that I did not realize until recently when my girlfriend pointed it out is that the Mauds actually has it number labeled or labeled with numbers on the roast, and I never really paid attention to that. So like a light roast is number 3, and then like a 5 and a 6 is a medium roast, which the Blueberry Fields Forever, my favorite one, that is a medium roast one. That's about what I usually prefer. And they do go up to all the way to 10. I also like the names that they use, but they do have a Kona Coast. Also, the Salimo brand is another brand that it's more of a budget brand that I actually really enjoy. And the Kona Coast is pretty similar to the Salimo one. They're like a tall, dark, and handsome French roast from the coast. And espresso yourself. But if I show you some of the other flavors that were in that first assortment, we got like a dreamy, creamy salted caramel. We got the Blueberry Fields, Dunk Your Donut Shop. So the more of the lighter, medium ones are going to be more of like your sweeters, like desserty type ones, I would say. And I was actually getting ready to brew a cup when I decided I'd make a new updated video on this. Like I mentioned in a previous video, if you do the right flavorings and stuff, especially like this blueberry one, and when I use a little bit of my sugar-free vanilla sweetener and a little bit of half and half and stuff, it tastes almost like a blueberry muffin. It's got the similar scent and similar aromas and flavors. And that's just an example of that one. You also got the salted caramel, and they all just got a lot of flavor with them. I really like them. Anyway, I normally don't talk about coffee much, but I do really drink a lot of coffee. I love coffee, and I wanted to share my opinions after several months of the Mauds. I definitely recommend them. If you like to have an assortment, get that variety pack. It's awesome. If you want to try just a single flavor, if you like blueberry, now my girlfriend won't touch this one. She hates blueberries. But if you like blueberry, that's another reason why I buy it too. But if you like blueberry, give this one a try. I highly recommend this one. If you're not a blueberry fan, I would recommend the salted caramel next. And but like I said, get that assortment, enjoy all of them. Anyway, hopefully you try it, you enjoy it. Let me know if you have already tried Mauds and if this is something that you like. And maybe if you like me to try other flavors of coffees in the future, I can definitely do that and give my opinions. But right now, the Mauds is one of my favorites. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.